Off to the snowy lane. What's going on, y'all? The airport. I gotta wait for her to girl. Back with this.
What up? Y'all know what it is.
I know what that is. We're back. We're back. Going through security. See that? Let's see if they pull my bag. Let's see. Organic matter. TSA is one of the most annoying parts of traveling, bro. Shoes off, they be changing the rules and shit. It's annoying. Now, let's see if they get my bag. It's taking a little minute. Let's see. See what they want to do. Let's see. Okay, we clear. They delayed our flight for about 3 hours, so we in the hometown, so we about to go, we about to go do some hometown shit. We still in the A. Feel me? Tell them.
Yeah, we about to go get something to eat, you know what I'm saying? Do what we do. And then we gonna board the flight.
And we gonna board the flight, but they ain't wanna tell us. The flight was delayed. That was crazy. I bought some $5 candy for no reason, nigga. Got that shit for $2.50. I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping, man. It is what it is. I love traveling. One thing I do love. They just not showed you?
Just now.
Let me see.
Good.
It's not assisted.
Welcome aboard the freight train. Please hold on. This train is departing.
12:35. Delayed.
The next stop is for the President
Delayed.
and ground transportation.
I might have to go lay up real quick. You feel me? Or y'all think I'm gonna miss it? Y'all think I'm gonna miss it? I go lay up. One of the perks of having your flight delayed in the city that you live in, you can go to the crib right quick. Go to your little vibe crib or whatever.
That's if you stay close to the airport.
That's if you stay close to the airport, though. Like I do. I'm from around the airport. So you feel me? I'm Gucci. You did. And the studio right by the airport. Y'all folks tap in.
Fucking 100 times, put on the choke. More of my buy mobility in my toe. I'm with a cash with that money in my low. Where rich y'all niggas, my pockets were low. Just getting started, it's just the intro. Run through the blues and pinks, anybody move. You had that bobber fuck, nigga, you sold. Nigga be broke or be worried about who.
We had a rescuer. I'm gonna come clean. We gotta be back at the airport in probably about an hour. It just got me a little. Might call me a freak or something, man. I don't know. It is what it is. What you talking about? I ain't getting what?
I ain't know what the hell he was talking about.
I fucks with
What
the
the fuck is a
Thundercat.
Thundercat?
My nephew's a Thundercat.
Honestly, had me fucked up. But looking at this video, I'm gonna come clean. He slit might have been right. Cause how the hell we missed 3 flights? Never in life, gang. Wasting my money and everything. What the
Hey, we
fuck?
back at the yo, man. Thanks to the savior. Somebody came and got us from the airport real quick. Finna got now. Do what we do. I might record a song real quick or something for. I gotta catch this flight.
Good.
Long ass flight. Appreciate it. Long ass flight, YouTube.
So dude who just calling me a Thundercat, he wanted to go to the airport early because he seen it was snowing outside. Who cares about the snow? The flight leave at 1 a.m.
I had one too many shots. had one too many shots, and I'm at the airport. I think it's 11:40. If I leave at 1, I hate TSA. I'm through. Supposed to leave at 10 something originally. Bro, they shut it down. The flight is right there.
And it's right there. And we've been here for the past 20 minutes.
The flight is right there. Why are they tripping? Like, I don't get it. The flight supposed to leave at 12:51. We're here early. I thought the flight stopped boarding 15 minutes before. What the fuck? I can't do nothing but laugh this shit off. What the fuck? First off, the flight supposed to leave at 10. They changed it to 12:50. We got here at like 11:50. It's leaving. It just shows y'all. It ain't even left yet. It won't let us on. It's right there. They're saying no. All the flights for tomorrow is canceled.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
Man, what the fuck?
And the shit say non-refundable. I'm trying to get a different book in this shit. They don't even let me get a different book.
Man, damn it. Dude.
This shit crazy, bro. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's a bunch of bugs. The flight is still right there, man. Wasting my fucking money. No cap. The flight is still there.
Yeah,
You feel what I'm saying? It hasn't left.
Beat down the hoe till she can't feel no more. Fucking 100 times, put on the choke. More of my bomb, bullets in my toe. I'm with a cash with that money in my low. Where is y'all niggas, my pocket was low. Just getting started, it's just the intro. Just getting started, it's just the intro. Thumb through the blues and pinks, anybody move. You had the bubble for
I'ma come clean. Hey y'all, I ain't never been in the airport this late. Hey, for real. It's late as fuck. I think it's like 1 in the morning. Damn, but
Since all the flights was canceled for the night, I decided to hit my boy Diamond show. Might as well since I'm in the A. And I shot a little video. I'm feeling hot. My feelings boo. She had the closet zoo. No money today, gave me attitude. I wanna hear nothing but the good news. I'm a pot child, tell to make it hard to lose. I'm the street route child, try to feel with blue. Make a play for my head with a fan cool. Kinda that money. Kinda that money. Kinda that money.
about to hit Diamond Show out. Support the bros.
Alright, it's on what's your name? Miles. Okay, it's on the 3rd floor.
We had Diamond Show.
This what I do on the daily, man.
Yes sir. Tapping in from Diamond Show, you feel me? Split a motherfucker in that bitch. Catch you in a minute.
Check my rings. We slice Texas, we pop beans.
with my jeans, she fuck my team. I gave her a jersey. I'm in her dream like Martin Luther King. Addicted to serve, but I'm not a fiend. Addicted to serve with all of these fiends. Can't you tell, check out my rings. I'm on syrup like PKTs. I've been on that syrup lately. She think I'm Canadian, baby. My trust has been down in the dirt. I read about Cain and Abel. I'm holding her hair while she suck me. She says Malaysia, baby. My heart has been taking that bullshit. I've been on that Maple lately. Only bosses can sit at my table. Gotta die for this shit if you cost souls. I'm leaving my house with a full clip.
The show just went down. Diamond rock that shit out. We outside in the lake. Still in the A. Yeah. Niggas cooking up crazy shit.
Cause look, what's up, guys? Hey, what's up, man? We in this motherfucker, man. Like that. You.
So, Mr. Flight, then nigga got snowed in. Mr. Flight, no whip. Not Mr. Flight, they finesse. But had to change my flight. Then nigga got snowed in. That's tough. Oh well. In there. Chillin', got snowed in, vlogging. Got the chef pulled up.
Already, big hustle jerky in the building, man. Rain, sleet, hail, snow, man. You call, I deliver, baby. Ain't nothing changed, just product and foot style.
Yeah, man. Nah, for real, you just say today, look.
What's going on? Get that.
Chef just came through.
The players actually took the umbrella.
Jerk chicken, good.
They had no idea what it was like. Right? Wait. Quiet.
Yeah.
If all 365 of us survive,
Local dog.
that means the prizes stay the same. We can risk our lives to play another game.
This shit been crazy. So first, the flight got fucked up. Then I got snowed in. Now the power's out. Now the power's out. Not believe it. Luckily I got gas. I got water. I got snacks. I had a chef pulled up. I got a full battery. I'm missing one thing, but that's for later. So our flight got canceled that we rebooked, and we had to go get a rental car. That took 3.5 hours to get. The line was out the airport. Never been in the line that long. No cap. I was so irritated. We went to go get McDonald's and came back. The lady at the front desk had us waiting an extra 30 minutes because she didn't know what she was doing. I guess she was tired from all the people. I don't blame her. But finally, we got the rental car. And now we're on the way to Ohio. It's about 3 a.m. at this time. Had to make a stop at Buc-ee's for that morning breakfast. It was talking about something. Woke up in Cleveland and it was full of snow. No wonder the flight was canceled. Sheesh. Finally got to Cleveland, dog. Hey, one thing they need to do is fix them potholes. You will mess your car up out there. Be aware.
Put the pen on, man. You know what I'm saying?
You know how we do it.
That's how we do
Cleveland,
it.
you did?
Man.
Come to smoke shop.
Tyler, man.
What is that?
Man, hey. Purple nerds. Motherfucking ice caps. No caps. how we coming, nigga. I'm cross country with this shit, you feel me? Ain't nothing to it. I just woke up. Last night was a movie night and you get everything on camera, but that shit was happy and sad at the same time. That made me realize you gotta enjoy life while you're here, because before you know it, it'll be gone. And you never know when you're gonna be gone either. Just gonna try to do everything I want this year. I'm trying to knock everything off the list. No matter if it's running a marathon, going to different countries, just living life to the fullest every fucking day. I'm on a roll, no, out of the bowl, off of the drink, out of my hole, cold,